basically the premise is to reduce the size of the stomach so that the patient eats less.
Yes.
Okay.
How we do it exactly is we put small holes in the abdomen. We are not cutting any muscles. We are just making very small holes. Small tubes are there. These are long, small instruments which we put in the abdomen. We operate with the help of these instruments.
Four incisions.
You can say 4 incision, but we say 4 to 5 holes. That depends. Some patients require 6 holes. Sometimes only single incision also we are doing. It is different. Every patient is different. If morbidity, if weight is not very heavy, if the organs are not very heavy, we can lift them with the help of single incision.
What is BMI?
For him,
Yeah.
your BMI is 50, 50 something. Right? Different BMIs. After 35 we can do. If somebody is having BMI of 32 plus comorbid factors like if he is having diabetes, he is having hypertension, he is having lipid profile problems and joint problems. Many patients come only for joint problems. They have severe knee problems and they are not able to lose. Then we do surgery for them. They lose the weight as well as their joint problems vanish. I will show you some of them. These are the risk factors for obese. It is not why I am saying this is not a cosmetic surgery. By mistake, this has gone in the cosmetic era. This is a plastic surgery or this is something. This is not a cosmetic. This is a metabolic surgery. We are trying to control diabetes. We control those who have respiratory problems, those who have gallbladder problems, high risk of cancer, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, prostate cancer is high in morbidly obese persons. Almost 2 times, 3 times incidence is seen than those who have a normal weight. Right? Infertility, PCOD problem. PCOD problem when we operate, it completely vanishes. Some patients have severe snoring problems, like we call it sleep apnea. He was also having sleep problems, snoring problems. Immediately post surgery, he lost within 3-4 days. His sleeping problem was gone.
What is this? Do you alcoholic or smoker?
I used to take alcohol every day. No smoking.
So these are the reasons for which we
After marriage.
After marriage. आपकी एज कितनी है?
I'm right now 44. I'm going to be 44.
44.
Yeah.
Now, did you get control over taking alcohol and
Pardon?
all the things?
I don't feel like having alcohol now.
Do you feel urge to taking
No,
alcohol?
nothing like that.
now
Nothing.
post surgery you don't have that urge also. And
पैदल चलने से कोई फायदा नहीं होता, वेट हो जाए heavy.
I will show you. पैदल चलना is problem at some stage. देखो, if the weight is up to a limit, BMI अगर 25, 27, 30 तक है, they can walk, they can do every exercise. For if I expect them to do
मैं
exercise,
मोटापे में आता हूँ ना इसके नॉर्मल.
आप slightly overweight में आते हो, that can be managed
चर्बी
conservatively.
यहाँ पे इसका चल
नहीं मैं ओवरवेट में हूँ नहीं मैं.
the case of sir.
How do you define what are the parameters of whether a person is eligible for this surgery? Because some people might are very vain, they say, "Oh, I'm slightly fat, I should get this done." And
Yeah, that's very good question. See, this is a charting we do according to BMI. A person's body weight divided by height in meter square. Weight in kilograms divided by height square, we get this formula. If somebody is above 25 BMI, that means he is overweight. He may have some problem related to weight. It may be minor problem like he may be having little cholesterol high, he may be having a little snoring problem, he may be having just breathlessness. Right? But if it is increasing above 35 or 40, that means it is a morbid obesity. Right? If it is beyond 35, person is going to get some respiratory problems. He may get diabetes, he may get hypertension. Right? These are the comorbid factors associated with this. Somebody who is weighing same, somebody is weighing 70 kilograms. Even if he is also 70, he is 70. But this person is a candidate for surgery because his BMI is much higher.
so it is according to the height.
Yeah, the main parameter is according to height. Both of them are equally fit. Both of them have a BMI of 23. She must be weighing 90 kgs and another is only 45-50 kgs.
So centimeters divided by weight.
Height in meter, weight in kilograms divided by height in meter square. BMR is something basal metabolic rate. all of us are sitting here. Somebody is weighing 100 kilograms, somebody is weighing 30, but whatever kilograms. Their BMR is different. BMR means basal metabolic rate. Like he or she is sitting in, for her, how much calories is used during that time. You may be losing more than that. If your lean body weight is more, your BMR will be more. You will be losing more. Even if you eat much more, but all of us almost eat same calories, you will not put weight. Somebody else will put on weight.
So ideally you suggest should be below 25.
Below 25. But not for the sports persons, because they always have good lean body weight.
No, but healthy is not below 20 and not above 25. What is it?
Healthy is between 20 to 25.
Okay.
If some and again there is a common misconception, this person is weak, but if his or her body weight is BMI is above 18, that means he or she is completely fit. That doesn't mean that they are malnourished or something. If their BMI is above 18, that is.
This awareness needs to be there for a layman. You know, all these things we hear about it, but we don't actually get to, you know,
Yeah,
that
that's
is
right. Anybody who's weighing 50 kgs, they think we are very weak, we are very weak. Actually, they are fit. They are the most fit.
Actually, it was the heredity all of this
कोई टेंशन के कारण
work related.
It's morely work
खाना पीना में खूब
related,
हुआ,
social reasons.
lifestyle related.
विवाह के बाद
जी,
हाँ.
खाया मतलब
नॉर्मली
में कमी नहीं लगती।
नॉर्मली
आप तो नहीं, I'm not having anything.
Reducing the size of stomach, so the person feels full earlier than.
Why mind causes? Because for him or for anybody who is having a very high weight, when they go and operate inside, I see the stomach size, which is normally 1.5 to 2 liters. Right? If we take more than that, slowly it starts descending and gradually increasing. Those patients who have morbidly obese, they have a very huge stomach. Stomach normally occupies only 2 liters, but for them, it has so huge. The capacity is almost 5 liters something.
So they need to fill it up.
Unless you fill up 5 liter, it will not stretch. If it doesn't stretch, it will not send the signal to brain that I am full.
Yeah, so these are
Now
the
it
things.
is small, whenever he eats, it does. Right now. But it won't help beyond 4-5 kgs. You can lose 5-6 kgs, and then as you stop medicine, it comes back again. With this is a permanent disease. And for over 2 years, his lifestyle is totally changed. So like he doesn't feel like taking the food. This happens. So these are the risks associated with the weight loss, more weight, joint problems, bone problems, fewer employment opportunities, then lower life expectancy. It has seen those who have weight of supposedly very high weight, and we compare them with the other counterparts who got this surgery done and they lost weight, their life has increased up to 10 years. But I still don't believe in 10. High blood pressure, breathing problem, breathlessness, sweating problem. He had a lot of sweating problem. All the time he was sweating, and now this so comfortable. And this is with all the patients, not only.
What is seen in children in India, sir, about obesity?
I'm coming to that.
And tell me about the Dalit people who are living in Delhi and 5 metropolitan
This
cities.
is the figure I will give you. You can note it down also. This is the Obesity Foundation of India. Right? Okay. 25% of Indians now has become overweight. Overweight is if the BMI is above 25. That doesn't mean they are morbidly obese. They are just overweight. Those approximately 3% of Indian population is obese. 3% if we calculate according to 100 crores, this turns out to be around 3 crore. Right? And if we calculate according to 120, it will be even higher. Right? 5% of urban adults are obese. Now coming to obesity, another fact, diabetes incidence is approximately 40% increased. Heart attacks has increased in these people. Cardiac, this cancers, breast cancer especially in obese female, it's higher. Right? And in obese male, colon cancer, which was not seen in India ever. Now it is coming like anything because of the change in food. and we are seeing also rise in prostate cancer also
Because of obesity.
because of obesity.
So basically जो डॉक्टर साहब कह रहे हैं obesity through not only cardiac but it's also causing certain types of
अब
cancer.
हमने we have discussed कि diet first तो diet ही है at any point. If somebody is overweight, he has to reduce the calories. अगर calories intake कम नहीं होगी, whatever you do, you will not lose weight. Second is exercise. Exercise सब लोग नहीं कर सकते. Everybody, because somebody who has so much overweight, if he walks, his joints will be damaged. If we do more exercise in the gym, he will get some other problem. Because only good exercise for this person is swimming. That is the only person. But that is also not possible.
What is behavior therapy, sir?
Behaviorals, we keep counseling this to eat, this you should not, like a dietary counseling. And some people have only habits. If they are in depression, they keep taking. That for them it is habit.
बिहेवियर कैसे करेंगे इसमें क्या अपनाना पड़ेगा?
काउंसलिंग की जाएगी, साइकियाट्रिक काउंसलिंग होगी.
सर आपके अपने कैरियर में
जी.
तकरीबन कितनी सर्जरी आपने किया है जो मॉर्बिड ओबेसिटी पेशेंट्स थे, जब आपने उनकी काउंसलिंग की फॉर दिस कि भाई सर्जरी करानी है, सर्जरी नहीं है पर करानी है, ठीक है, सर्जरी है नहीं, तो उसमें कितने % जो है उनका जो साइको लेवल क्या था, कुछ है आपके पास ऐसा बता सकते हैं?
Psycho level is good in most of the patient. Comes patients होते हैं. Because surgery is to be done for those who understand. Even after surgery, we do the modifications. अगर वो if they don't follow those instructions, we cannot help them. They can put themselves in trouble. So we don't do surgery.
If there is no percentage, और कितने % को नहीं किया आपने? 5, 7, 10?
I think 2% के करीब होगा.
2%. जो तोंदू है और मोटा है, उससे बचना.
अगर वो पेट के अंदर जमा हो रही है और जो भी प्रोसीजर है, कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर है, वो पेट के बाहर की चर्बी निकाल रहे हैं या थाइस की या जहाँ की भी चर्बी लाइपोसक्शन करके निकाल रहे हैं, दैट इज नॉट
लाइपोसक्शन तो कोई परमानेंट इलाज नहीं है
वो, पर उसके आपको बेनिफिट भी नहीं है, हेल्थ बेनिफिट कुछ भी नहीं है. हेल्थ बेनिफिट तब होगा जब हम अंदर की पेट के अंदर की चर्बी खत्म करेंगे, जो मसल्स के अंदर आ गई है, जो पैंक्रियास के अंदर आके इन्फिल्ट्रेट कर रही है, जो बॉडी के अलग अलग हिस्सों में इन्फिल्ट्रेट कर रही है, जिससे वीकनेस हो रही है, जिसके कारण अगर बहुत ज़्यादा चर्बी, ये ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये जितनी मर्जी वो कर ले, बिकॉज करेंगे. अभी मेरे पास टुमारो ओनली आई एम ऑपरेटिंग वन पर्सन बेल्जियम में. ही डिड बिगेस्ट लूजर, शायद आपने टीवी पे देखा होगा, बिगेस्ट लूजर्स आते हैं. दिस पर्सन आई एम ऑपरेटिंग, ही लॉस्ट 75 kgs. He has come again now for the surgery. I will be operating upon him, and because जैसे वो program खत्म हुआ, 6 months he has done, he is back. And he did a lot of research. सब कुछ उसने पढ़ा, and today he is good. Height I think 5'8", 5'9" के आसपास. This person is like 75 किलो लूज करना, स्किन सारी लूज हो गई, स्किन लूज हुई, उसने abdominoplasty करा ली, tummy tuck करा ली. But he again gained because stomach is same. वो तो कम हुआ नहीं. तो we are ultimately dealing with the reason, जो root है. अगर fever है किसी को और उसको पैरासीटामोल देते रहो, that is not a solution. We have to deal the inside problem, जहाँ से root है इसका.
जो खर्च की बात कर रहे हैं
जी. Comparison with other centers.
What is full charges?
फुल चार्जेस देखिए पेशेंट टू पेशेंट वेरी करते हैं. कोई पेशेंट के कोमॉर्बिड फैक्टर्स बहुत सारे ज़्यादा हैं. सपोजिंगली किसी को हार्ट डिजीज भी है, जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम भी है और लंग्स की प्रॉब्लम है, तो उनका स्टे बढ़ जाएगा. जिसका फिटनेस लेवल
कितने दिन में आराम से छुट्टी हो जाएगी सर?
देखो, जो कम से कम करा है हमने सुबह करके शाम को भेजे हैं, बट एवरेज स्टे इज 3 to 4 days.
You can say this surgery is based on OPD based.
Daycare surgery. Daycare is very few centers are doing in the world only. हाँ, यहाँ पे हम अवॉइड प्रेफर करते हैं कि नहीं करें डे केयर में, बिकॉज वी वांट टू सी द पेशेंट फॉर 2-3 days. Once they are customized to the lifestyle, then we send them. But
General anesthesia only.
it is under general anesthesia.
Patient बात करता रहेगा.
नहीं, जनरल anesthesia में तो पेशेंट प्रोडक्ट्स होता है.
The side effects of this disease?
साइड इफेक्ट्स तो अगर देखे जाए तो कुछ भी नहीं है. बेनिफिट्स हैं, डायबिटीज ठीक हो रहा है, ब्लड प्रेशर ठीक हो रहा है, जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स ठीक हो रही हैं. और साइड इफेक्ट में 4-5 मिसकंसेप्ट्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट ये होता है कि वीक हो जाऊंगा, पेशेंट थिंक्स दे विल बिकम वीक. वो नहीं होता, देयर एनर्जी लेवल डबल्स. You can ask him, बाकी मैं आपको वीडियोस दिखाऊंगा. You will see every patient, they are much happy, fitness level बढ़ गया. जो काम कर ही नहीं पा रहे थे, वो सारा दिन drowsy रहते थे, नींद आती रहती थी. Start walking around, moving around, बहुत
अच्छा डॉक्टर साहब, जो टैबलेट्स हैं, टैबलेट खाइए और मोटापा दूर करिए, तो ये जो रेमेडीज हैं, ये कहाँ तक सही हैं?
they don't work, they are just like जैसे वो बिगेस्ट लूजर का मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दिया, तो they will not help because ultimately stomach तो वहीं का वहीं है.
लॉस ऑफ लीवर है क्या?
they can lose, मेडिसिन से लूज होता है 4 to 5 kgs तक लूज होके they stop,
फिर आ जाता है।
फिर वापस आता है. जैसे मेडिसिन डिस्कंटिन्यू करते हो. We also use sometimes जब पेशेंट का वेट BMI 26 है, उसके अंदर सर्जरी तो इंडिकेटेड नहीं है. We tell them you can try this, but that is only for 5-6 kgs, not more than that. If it has gone to an extent जो वहाँ से क्रॉस कर चुका है, we have to do the surgery.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
जी सर.
टिपिकली स्पोर्ट्स में जितने लोग होते हैं, अतुल जी हैं या अदर है, ये तो फिट है, बट जब आप स्पोर्ट्स छोड़ देते हो एक दौरान के बाद, वन स्टार्ट्स पुटिंग ऑन वेट. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ sportsmen which we say, I don't want to take names as well.
No, of course,
But
it is
if-
natural, na, because
Even Maradona got this surgery.
no, because the same, because because your metabolism is still kicking in, your diet is the same, you don't work out the same way, so it's in and out balance sheet, है ना, capital grade.
Yeah, that's perfect. That is the main reason. Intake बढ़ चुकी है. Why we gain weight? Anybody
And
why we gain weight?
and also after a certain
अगर-
age, your metabolic rate drops.
Yes.
So you have to cope up with more.
That's what I wanted to say. आप जो कहते हैं कि शादी के बाद जो आप बात कर रहे थे, आप बात कर रहे थे शादी के बाद वेट क्यों बढ़ रहा है, जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको बोला था कि मैं अभी
खुशी
बात
से
करूँ.
आदमी
खुशी तो हुई. एक तो दोनों मिलके appetite, मतलब that has diet increase हो गई, one thing. Secondly, हमारा जो बॉडी बेसिक मेटाबॉलिज्म था up to age of 22, 24, 26 तक ज़्यादा है. जैसे एज बढ़ेगी एवरी ईयर योर बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट हैज टू डिक्रीज. लॉन्चिंग अ पीडियाट्रिक प्रोग्राम जिसके अंदर हम फॉर्मली इनॉग्रेट कर रहे हैं. एक हमारी हेल्पलाइन है, पीडियाट्रिक हेल्पलाइन, विच इज वेरीज क्वेरीज जो हैं पेशेंट्स की उसके बारे में. व्हाट आर द लॉस, क्या होता है, क्या कैसे मैकेनिज्म है, व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स फॉर द वेट लॉस, व्हाट आर द रिस्क फैक्टर्स, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन कवर्ड इन दैट. Secondly, this will also generate a awareness to that. So मिस्टर अतुल जी को हमने इसके
circulating this.
community in the corporate इधर खड़े हो. This is the wrapped broken and इसमें वेराइटी कंटेंट अंदर लगी है.
नहीं ठीक है सर, कागज ले लीजिए आपके हाथ में, अच्छा लगेगा, छोड़ो ये गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, एक्शन में हो जाएगा. अभी वैसा करो.
हाँ जी.
तो ले लीजिए वो.
ले लो डॉक्टर साहब ऐसे टच.
हाँ जी. हंसते हुए, नहीं तो डॉक्टर भी सर्जरी के काम कर लेंगे. अरे उनको लिया नहीं, पेशेंट को लिया सर, आप आइए. मोटापे छुटकारा पाने वाले लोग हैं.
डॉक्टर साहब भी करा रहा है.